Good afternoon. Happy Friday, October 9th, 2020. It's TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday. We say Friday. I'm excited that we've come to the close of another week and that we are going to begin another weekend. And I want to remind everyone that school is closed for scholars on Monday, but open for parent-teacher conferences. So if your parents have not scheduled their conferences with your teacher, please give them a friendly reminder to do so. Also, I want to remind everyone that this is the close of Fire Prevention Week, so please make sure you find that smoke detector in your house, look up to your ceiling, and check the batteries and change the batteries so that your fire smoke detector is working. Today, we are talking about a very special guest who visited a fourth grade class. We want to thank Ms. Chavez and her fourth grade students for speaking to our special guest and having an opportunity to hear from her. Dr. Ellen Ochoa, astronaut, engineer, and she's the former director of the Johnson Space Center, spoke to our fourth grade class today. And I want you to say congratulations to the fourth graders because this is a great opportunity for us to speak to her. She is the first Hispanic woman to go into outer space. So who wants to be an astronaut? Any of you? Well, if you want to be an astronaut, you can think about Dr. Helen Ochoa and think about how she worked hard because you can do the same thing. So please take a listen to this fun fact video about Dr. Ellen Ochoa and learn something about her and use her work to motivate and encourage you to follow your dreams, whether you want to be an astronaut, a lawyer, a doctor, a scientist, a police officer, a firefighter, whatever it is you want to do after school. Think about how hard Dr. Ellen Ochoa worked to become an astronaut. So please take a listen.
Welcome to this mini Fantastic Facts, and today we'll be focusing on NASA astronaut and scientist Ellen Ochoa.
Ellen Ochoa, wasn't she an astronaut in the 90s?
Technically, yes. She joined NASA in 1988, but she wouldn't be selected to become an astronaut until 2 years later.
So what was her first mission? Fly to the moon and back, collect water on Mars, determine if Pluto was a planet?
No, and no. There's so much more to being an astronaut than just flying to another planet. Ellen went on her first mission in 1993. She and her team needed to collect data on the sun's energy and how it affects the ozone layer.
When did she start exploring planets, though?
Noah, not every astronaut has been to another planet. In fact, most of Ellen's missions involved studying the sun's energy and the Earth's ozone layer, which would later contribute to studies about climate change.
Well, if she's made that big of an impact, then someone needs to give her a gold trophy or something.
Actually, Ellen has had 6 schools named after her. On top of that, she's received 2 awards, and she has even helped decide who gets the National Medal of Technology and Innovation Award.
Wow, so what's she up to today? Is she planning to walk on the sun?
I'm gonna ignore that far-fetched idea. Ellen actually retired from spacecraft operations in 2007 and went on to become the director of NASA's Johnson Space Center. She would officially retire in May 2018.
So, is it possible to walk on the sun or no?
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Junior Mojo for more funny, fulfilling, and fantastic facts.
Wait, you can't end the video yet. You still haven't answered my question.
Noah, it's gonna be a no.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am a J.P. Ryan Cardinal Scholar. I fly high by having honor, integrity, grit, and hope. I am a responsible and respectful citizen to my community, myself, fellow scholars, teachers, and school property. I am ready to learn. Greatness is in me, and I will fly high today.
Happy birthday to scholars having birthdays either today or over the weekend. Lael J., Madison L., Naomi S., Major B., Riley D., and William M. Happy birthday! Have a wonderful birthday. Another special announcement. Meals are back at J.P. Ryan. They are available from 11 o'clock until 1 o'clock in front of our building, and you'll be able to receive a breakfast and a lunch. Also, all high schools have meals from 11 to 1 and also from 5:30 to 6:30 in the evening. So 2-year-olds to 18-year-olds can get a lunch and a breakfast free. This is Monday through Friday until December 31st.
The character trait for October is integrity. Integrity means choosing to be truthful in whatever you say and do.
Okay, Dr. Johnson back to close us out to get us ready for the weekend. It would be a 3-day weekend for our scholars because you don't have school on Monday, but for parents, we want to make sure you're going to have your parent-teacher conferences. I would like to just close out with a quote from Dr. Ellen Ochoa. She says, "I tell students that the opportunities I had were a result of having a good educational background. Education is what allows you to stand out." So scholars, I know that our education is virtual now, but continue to work hard. Your teachers are working hard, and I'm so proud of them. And you guys are going to do great things. I believe in each and every one of you all. So I have my pom-poms today to get us ready for our fly high, because we are Cardinal scholars and we fly high. Just like Dr. Ellen Ochoa, we have honor, integrity, grit, and hope. And that's going to take you a very long way and provide you with a successful life and a successful career. When they go low, I'm going to bounce with it. We fly high. Ray, have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you on Tuesday, October 13th. And there's some exciting things happening next week. I can't wait to share those with you. Have a wonderful, safe weekend.